Good morning, Varina High School. It's Friday, January 8th. I'm Joanna Jeffers. Do you know an 8th grader who is interested in public speaking, writing, photography, journalism, cinematography, video editing, or being on camera? The Center for Communications and Media Relations will host a virtual open house today at 3 p.m. To join us, please email Ms. Craft for the link to the meeting. A group of current students and teachers will be there to answer any questions you may have. The ACE Center application deadline is quickly approaching, as well as the night school registration. If you are interested in either of these options, please click the video description for more information. I'm Joanna Jeffers. Have a great weekend, Varina.